Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to lns. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have the s over s. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 1. So I will put number 1 go in here to find the value of u. ln number 1 you got about 0. When s go to positive infinity, so this one will go in here and u will go to positive infinity. So number 1 we change by number 0. This one we keep the same. ln s we change by u. The s over s we change by the u. Next, I will put about the limit. So I approach to positive infinity. And we have the integration from 0 to a. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2, and we put the bounds from 0 to a. So we put a in here and number 0 go in here. So when I go to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. A squared will go to positive infinity. That means everything in here, they will go to positive infinity. So that means this integration is divergent. This is the end. Thank you for watching.